Guess what? Part 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, anyways. We are gonna do like whatever I have left, basically. Harry Potter? Don't mind if I do. Actually, I'm gonna save that for my friend. For me. Sorry, guys. Is this a Lego set? Yeah, that's a Lego one. Take these Lego set balls. Okay. We have these. Yeah, I'm gonna show you these. So, we have mini brands. We have surprise, like, axolotl things. So let's do this. I'm gonna do the best for last, which is the mini brands. I do not really want to do it right now. Anyways. There we go. I like when they have a zipper like that. Not when you have to find like the ladybug one. If you didn't see that video, then go check it out. And also, I'm not telling you to subscribe. If you do, you can do it. If you don't have to. Like, I don't care, to be honest. You can unsubscribe. I will care about that, but just only one subscriber at a time. If all of you guys unsubscribe, then we have a problem. I'll put some hands up, bro. Anyways. Brother. It's gonna take me like at least 10 minutes to open this. That would be so satisfying. Apparently that's enough. It's not gonna be satisfying. Bro, another one? Okay, never mind. I took both of them off. There's 3 layers. What the frick? Oh my god, this is like the LOL ones when I used to box with you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, the little glitter sticker. Okay, this is obviously the cat there. Wait a minute. That feels soft. Like, it's squishy. I was like, oh, that is so cute. It's like a little pouch. Oh my god. It's not cute. Anyways. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Ooh, a lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop. This is the cat there. I don't know what the frick this is then. Because this is bigger than the actual cat's bag. And this is the next one. So. It's literally sand. It's literally sand. I'm going to use this ball as my container. And we're going to see what cat we got. You're ugly. I'm kidding. I'm not, but no, I mean, yeah, I am. This reminds me of LOLs. To be honest, like, it literally has, like, the same everything. It's actually Cathers. But look, the head can come off. Oh, yeah. You're dead, brother. Scoot. Oh. Any last words, guys? Yep. Okay. That worked. I don't know if I like this. Honestly, I think the best part is the moon sand. Okay, I made it like a. So I can okay, put your body back together. Oh yeah, this was our first one. Let's put that back into the ball. I think they're relaxing in there, man. Okay, next one. Next one. Oh, yeah, we got a perfect one. Look at that. I actually never did that before. Like a full. That is awesome. Let's see if we can do it again, though. That would be a no. There we go. Okay, damn. So, of course we're gonna get... Oh, there's no moon sand. Oh, never mind, there is. There is. Just I was confused for a second, that's all. We got a sticker, an axolotl, with some glasses, oh yeah, in model. Yeah, because I'm doing like a song just with different lyrics, but we get a accessory, guys. This literally reminds me so much of freaking LOL. Oh my god, it's a book! Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. I want you to... You're even more uglier than the last one. Dude. Dude. Okay. Oh my god, do you actually have lenses? Wait, I'm gonna try something. They actually work? Wait a minute. Nuh-uh. They make you zoom in. That is so cool. This is not gonna stay on. Stupid. Anyways. More pink moon sand! Stinks. Anyways, we're gonna put them like normal. No, was it no food this time? Anyways, they're very relaxed in there. Okay, into the pile you go. Time for the best one and the last one that I'm going to show you in this video. Open. Okay, I'm going to open this. The final reveal. Are you sure this is Mini Brands? Oh, Mini Brands Crate. Oh, it's like a Lego set. So I'm gonna finish building this, and now I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'll show you. Bruh. It's so cute. I love it. Anyways, part 3. This whole series is done. See ya. Bok. Alright, I say bok. I didn't say the apple. Anyways, see ya.